Dear students, this is Afsana Awal. Today I will take your B.G.S class and our today's topic is Chapter 2, Lesson 2 and 3 reading done and fill in the blanks CW. So let's start our class. Students, look at the board. This is the second lesson of Chapter 2. And Chapter 2's title is Muslim and Hindu Festivals. That means in this lesson we will learn about the Muslim festivals and the Hindu festivals. We have four main religions in our country. People of every religion observe some festivals. We attend each other's festivals in spite of belonging to another religion. Now, Muslim festivals. Eid is the greatest Muslim festival. There are two Eids each year, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. On the Eid day, Muslims go to the Eidgah and mosque to pray. Relatives and friends greet each other and dine together. Children roam around and enjoy themselves. There are other Muslim festivals also, like Shabe Barat, Shabe Qadr and Eid Miladun Nabi. And this is the picture of Eid day. Just look, they are just greeting each other. Now, Hindu festivals. Hindus have religious occasions or pujas all year round. The main festivals are Durga Puja, Saraswati Puja and Lakshmi Puja. During that time, they go to the temples for offering pujas. Everyone greets each other and shares sweet and fruits. Children play different games and enjoy themselves. And go to the next page. This is page number 13. Just look here. Here is a table: Muslim festivals and Hindu festivals. And from this lesson we have already learned that which are the Muslim festivals and which are the Hindu festivals, and you can write their names here just one by one. Serially you can write their names here. And now number D, let us check. Put a tick mark. Tick the right answer. How many main religions are there in our country? 3, 4, 5 and 6, and the correct answer is 4 religions. There are 4 main religions in our country. Now lesson 3, Buddhist and Christian festivals. In lesson 2 we learned about the Muslim and Hindu festivals, and in lesson 3 we will learn the Buddhist and Christian festivals. So let's start. Buddhist festivals. Buddha Purnima is the main Buddhist festival. It marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. During this festival, Buddhists offer special prayers together. Children participate in the activities with enjoyment. Another Buddhist festival is Maghi Purnima. Now, Christian festivals. The main Christian festival is Christmas. It marks the birth of Jesus Christ. On this day, 25 December, Christians in our country go to a church. People give presents to each other, have fun and eat a feast together. Other Christians celebrate Good Friday and Star Sunday. Ethnic groups have their own festivals too. This is the picture of the Christmas, okay? And here we see some Buddhists. Now go to the next page, and this is page number 15. Buddhist festivals and Christian festivals. From this lesson we have already learned about the Buddhist festivals and the Christian festivals. And you can write their names. You have to read this chapter carefully and then write the Buddhist festival's name here and the Christian festival's name here. Now exercise D, tick the right answer. Which religion observes Maghi Purnima? The options are Islam, Hinduism, Christianity and Buddhism, and the right answer is Buddhism. Okay, Maghi Purnima. Now students, we will learn the fill in the blanks for the from this chapter, and there are only four fill in the blanks here. Fill in the blanks. There are some dash needs children in our society. The correct answer is special. There are some special needs children in our society. Number 2. Dash is the greatest Muslim festival. Eid is the greatest Muslim festival. Eid is the right word here. Number 3. In festivals, children enjoy themselves with friends. In festivals, children enjoy themselves with friends. And the last one for today, number 4. Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. Buddha Purnima marks the birthday of Gautam Buddha. So here only 4 fill in the blanks, and students, your HW is chapter 2 fill in the blanks. That means these 4 fill in the blanks, these are your HW. Okay. Okay students, that's all for today. Allah Hafiz.